Start it.
Hello, my YouTube family. Today, I stand in front of this impressive and beautiful mosque known as Jama Masjid. This mosque, a great example of Mughal architecture, is made by Mughal Shah Jahan, Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. This mosque is established nearby historical fort, Red Fort, besides Chandni Chowk, near to Chavdi Bazaar, and this historical place. The dream, not only this is mosque, this is the dream of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. And Shah Jahan want to establish a place where a, the place of God is above the throne of the king and kingdom. The place of God, the first of mosque where the God lived is above the crown of the king and kingdom. So the Shah Jahan search a place, a highest point near the fort of Delhi, Red Fort. So he found a hill named as Bhojala, and in this Bhojala hill, he made and established an impressive and beautiful mosque. This established in 1650 to 1656, and this is the last example of Mughal architecture. Above the dome, there is uh, Persian inscription, calligraphic inscription in Persian, and this mosque is oriented towards South Arabia of uh, the holy place of Islam, South Saudi Arabia of holy place of Islam, of known as Mecca and Medina. This place is oriented. The search of first Imam by Shah Jahan is end at Uzbekistan. The name is Sayyid Ahmad Ghafoor, and there is here is hierarchy, you know, of step by step name of Sayyid Ahmad Bukhari, recent Imam of this mosque. You always listen of statement about NRC and CA by Sayyid Ahmad Bukhari. So this is the holy place where Mughal gathered, Muslim had gathered to pray to God. So this is all about this mosque. This is beautiful place. This is impressive place, and also here the inscription and architect of Jain and Hindu, a great example of Mughal architect, and this is the last architect which established and made by Shah Jahan. So beautiful place. You can see there is three tomb, and above the tomb there is inscription in Persian calligraphy. Uh, Very big area where people are gathered. So I wanna see it's near of this. Thank you. So today I visited here. You see, this is the full of water and made by red stone and white marble. See, guys, is near to this. When first time Shah Jahan is pray to God and pray to namaz, that was time of 1656 AD. So you see this made by this is like a mat where one person bow down for Allah Ta'ala and pray namaz. So you can see this is prohibited to go in nearer to this, but I request. This is white marble, and this is inside of the center of the main dome. This is second largest place, second largest mosque of the world. Make the pattern of Agra Mosque and Taj Mahal. Okay, so this is Ind, and this is all about this. One man stand at the roof. This is very impressive and beautiful premises. Thank you. Have a good day.